Alright, well, this is the cinnamon challenge.
Yeah, I like that.
No, that's way too much.
You had more than that last time.
Alright. I don't know if I can do this.
Cinnamon.
Don't know if I can do this.
If you spit on this, I'm gonna kick you.
Ready?
Face the other way.
Should I go first?
Should you go for it? I thought that's what you're doing. Open your mouth.
Hey.
Did it burn your throat?